So I'd highly recommend drill deep and get oil. Stop drilling a whole bunch of dry wells and settling for water. Should we expand geographically, spreading ourselves out further to different towns, or add services in our current location, such as hardscape, pressure washing, tree, arborist work, or buy land and use for dump, compost soil, bulk material, and other nursery type activities? Currently have landscape maintenance focus, lawns, gardens, hedgings, and stratas. Matt with Bayside Lawn and Garden. Some other info. We're at 800,000 revenue this year and could still grow maintenance in our area by 1.5 to 2 times before needing to go down one of the above expansion routes. Okay, so that's the big kicker. I'm glad you gave me the second text message, Matt, about the 1.5 to 2x more opportunity on the maintenance side. I would 110,000% recommend you exploit the 2x multiple of 800,000. So what you're saying is you think you could grow to basically a $1.5 million business still doing maintenance in your given area. Do that before you start adding services. Do that before you start expanding the geographical areas you're going to serve. I've said this to our franchisees during training. I'll say it again. I'd much rather have 100 mowing customers in a 1 mile radius than 200 mowing customers in a 5 mile radius. The amount of profit I will generate if they're all in 1 mile radius, no traffic, very little windshield time, all in my target demographic, not spread out, all very similar property types and sizes. That's where the money's at with mowing. So spreading yourself out thinner and going in terms of like 5, 10, 15 miles away is crazy. It's always easiest. The path of least resistance is always adding services and adding how far away you're willing to serve. Those are the 2 fastest ways to grow your top line revenue. They're also the least efficient and the least profitable way to grow your business. And so everyone typically will go through this expansion period in their first few years, like they're wanting to grow. So what do? They keep serving areas further away. They start adding more and more services. They start, I'll do junk removal. I'll tow away debris. I'll do the gutters and I'll do the moss on people's roofs. I'll do treatments. And then all of a sudden, that is the path of least resistance. Going after the more services or further geographical reach is the fastest way to grow your business. It's also the least efficient and least profitable. The most profitable is focus on your core competency, mowing or maintenance in this regard. Or if you're focused just on hardscaping, focus on hardscaping. Don't listen to someone like me, like, you gotta do mowing. I'm like, I should do mowing now. And now I should do bush trimming and train my guys on weeding services. No, focus on whatever niche you're good at, whatever service you're really good at and efficient and profitable at, and just zero in on that thing. And this is actually something I thought about a bunch with lawn care media, because we have all these different, postcards for different services. And in one regard, I was like, okay, as much as I want to give a big package, like we have 160 designs in there, right? I was thinking like, this is actually almost against what I believe in. That is, I don't want people to offer all these services at the same time. I don't want you to offer all 16 of the services that are in the package. I want you to focus on like 3 or 4 of them and really, really drill down deep on those. I thought about this today. If you dig down like 300-400 feet or even less, you're typically going to be able to get water from a well, right? You drill down, you dig a well, you get water. Great, let's go. If you dig down though thousands of feet, you know what you hit? Oil. And the value of that oil is so much greater than the water. The water might, you get to flush your toilet, you get to have a shower, you get to drink some water. Woohoo, great for you and your family. But an oil well can literally supply thousands of people with energy. It can make millions of dollars if you hit oil. And so I truly believe people keep drilling for oil and all they do is keep hitting water. Like, it's okay. It's a good business. They're getting lots of water, lots of GPM, gallons per minute, but they got to drill deeper. They got to take the mowing and just keep pounding mowing. They get the postcard, they get the door hanger, they drill down on mowing. And so for you, Matt, I'd say drill down on what you're doing now and the geographical area you're servicing. Do not expand to other services. Do not expand to different areas, especially when you are only hitting half of your total addressable market, TAM. Especially when it comes to software, everyone's always asking, what's your total addressable market? Your TAM. Your total addressable market, you're only hitting half of it right now. So double down on that, because your customer acquisition cost is going to be much lower if you're going after services and people that are already used of seeing your trucks. They're used to seeing you mow their neighbor's lawn. The customer acquisition cost on them will be much lower than you trying to go to the next door city or 10, 15 miles away. And those services and those customers will be much less profitable for you too. So I'd highly recommend drill deep and get oil. Stop drilling a whole bunch of dry wells and settling for water. Hey everyone, Mike Andes here. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, click the links below to check out Lawn Care Media, where you can get door hangers just like this for a variety of services for lawn care, landscaping, fertilization, irrigation, fall cleanups, and the list goes on and on and on. You can get it all there and customize these and make money mowing lawns, doing landscaping services. We'll see you there.